While the company has continued to face financial struggles, this is a bold leap into a new era for the brand in innovation and design, beating expectations in the luxury MPV segment. It was, and still is, a car that spoke volumes about the prowess of this Japanese carmaker in engineering and the urge to redefine comfort and sophistication. Unveiled at the Japan Mobility Show, before going on sale next summer, this latest Elgrand boasts an identity that uniquely fuses advanced technology with modern styling and an elevated passenger experience. The all-new Elgrand draws heavily from the 2023 Hyper-Tourer concept and is a radical departure from its predecessor, which has been in the market since 2010. In fact, the MPV assumes an exterior that looks good from all angles in a truly three-dimensional form, with the sculpted surface, pixelated lighting, and aerodynamic finesse. This styling change also brings the new Elgrand in line visually with its latest brethren, a great exercise in adopting futuristic elegance across all of Nissan's products. First of all, the front end of this Elgrand really is quite striking, with a very dominating fascia that features a digital-style, pixelated grille with over a dozen small LED elements blending in seamlessly with black and body-colored elements, creating a light signature that's truly striking. As if that weren't enough, this is accompanied by further details, a wedge-shaped tailgate and complex LED cluster, all combining to create a cohesive, high-tech appearance out back. Sharp angles and smooth lines interplay atop the wheels to give this MPV an upmarket and imposing stance to ensure it doesn't get lost on the roads. Inside, the fourth generation showcases the best of Nissan in marrying luxury with intuitive functionality. Totally revised, serenity and refinement are taken to the next level, offering a more premium long-distance drive. A new two-tone leather-wrapped steering wheel provides fresh tactility, while physical controls are deployed wherever possible to ensure that usability remains instinctive. Standing atop the dashboard sit the twin 14.3-inch high-definition displays, housing fully digital instrumentation that's integrated with infotainment controls to prioritize clarity and seamless connectivity. The all-new center console swoops elegantly between the front seats, reflecting both minimalism and a premium feel thanks to clean geometry and functionality. Inside, in-car entertainment and acoustic performance have been taken to a whole new level with a bespoke Bose 22-speaker sound system, featuring large integrated speakers positioned directly into the front headrests for rich, immersive sound quality. All this attention to detail underlines the Elgrand's focus on delivering an elevated sensory experience. The second-row full-size lounge chairs will offer multi-way adjustment, power-operated footrests, and an emphasis on ergonomic comfort. These are executive-class seats that will turn the interior into a mobile relaxation suite for both the business traveler and the family. The new Elgrand wholly adopts Nissan's third-generation e-Power hybrid system, showcasing the brand's commitment to electrification. Thus, a 1.5-liter turbocharged gasoline engine joins a high-output electric motor, tuned in the interest of economical and smooth performance. Specific output numbers remain unspecified, but the layout is claimed to achieve superior fuel economy and lower emissions than conventional combustion engines. In the nature of its design in this electrified system, the petrol engine acts primarily as a generator, making driving predominantly electric, quiet, and quick. Perhaps the most distinctive mechanical feature of the new Elgrand is its adoption of Nissan's latest E4 all-wheel drive, a most advanced system featuring an electric motor on the rear axle for highly precise torque distribution. It reduces pitch during acceleration and deceleration to improve traction and stability while offering greater comfort and composure in handling, particularly for rear seat passengers who will welcome its stability. With E4-ORS automatically modulating power between the front and rear axles under virtually all driving scenarios, the Elgrand offers sure-footed security and serenity. As well as the advanced hybrid powertrain, the Elgrand introduces the next generation of Nissan's ProPilot driver assistance technologies. Standard models will include a version of ProPilot for semi-autonomous operation below 50 km/h, allowing hands-off driving in jams. This greatly reduces driver fatigue in congested urban conditions and looks toward Nissan's vision for autonomous driving. Higher trims house an advanced system called ProPilot 2.0, permitting hands-free driving on highways and automated lane changes pending the conditions. These intelligent systems collectively illustrate Nissan's commitments to improving safety, convenience, and driving confidence through technology. Beyond the depth of its technology, the new fourth-generation Elgrand seeks to push the boundaries of what modern luxury mobility can be. Full use of premium materials inside the cabin, intelligent ambient lighting, generous space, and meticulous attention to acoustic isolation create a sanctuary inside. To improve the ride quality and be more energy efficient, lightweight rigid materials have been used to reinforce the structure of the MPV, a thoughtful approach to design, balancing performance with environmental awareness. Functionality remains at the very core of the Elgrand mission. The flat floor architecture and optimized cabin dimensions ensure generous interior space across all 3 rows. Large sliding doors provide effortless access both in and out, while versatile seating configurations meet the needs of either a family or executive use case. Several storage compartments, a multitude of charging ports, and advanced climate control functions show this model strives to balance practicality with finesse. But beyond the physical design, the Elgrand has aesthetic appeal. The use of Nissan's latest color technologies and materials lending this exterior an almost sculpted presence. Sleek bodywork is complemented by fine chrome detailing and aerodynamic contours that help boost efficiency. Distinctive lighting elements at both front and rear reflect an increasing influence of digital artistry in car design, making functional lighting an expressive design statement. This says much for how Nissan still sees MPVs as relevant and having market potential, considering that the fourth-generation Elgrand launched in extremely testing financial times. This, in essence, is what has always placed the Elgrand at the higher end of people movers within the Nissan range, finding favor in so many markets, appreciative of comfort, prestige, and technological innovation. Its new generation now stands ready to take its place, with designs on moving modern buyers away from those old-school luxury minivans to something decidedly more refined and electrified. It not only brings back the Elgrand nameplate, but provides a showcase for Nissan's next step toward electrified mobility. E-Power, E-Force, and ProPilot technologies align with global trends towards smarter, cleaner, and more connected transportation. All in all, the new fourth-gen Nissan Elgrand is more than a facelift. It's a statement of intent. It epitomizes the future direction of Nissan's design and engineering philosophy, molding together a heady cocktail of luxury and technology into a form that's boundary-pushing yet identifiably Japanese in spirit. With its svelte proportions, avant-garde cabin, and innovative hybrid drivetrain, the new Elgrand is an audacious symbol of rebirth for Nissan, prepared to regain its position as one of the finest MPVs worldwide.